Welcome to Everest Blowers and Vacuum Pumps System. Here's how to keep your blowers running at peak performance. Start with a visual check, look over gauges, belts, and bolts. Listen for abnormal sounds, and ensure filters and oil are in good shape. Inspect internal parts, check oil seals, alignments, and clearances. Ensure filters and silencers are clean and free-flowing. While running, monitor pressure, current, and airflow. Watch for unusual noise or heat. Don't forget to test the pressure relief valve. Train both maintenance and operations teams, cover troubleshooting, lubrication, SOPs, and inspection routines. With regular maintenance, enjoy longer equipment life, fewer breakdowns, and safer operation. Need help with your blower maintenance? Reach out to Everest Blowers and Vacuum Pumps System today.